students. I myself, Mamta Yashwant. Welcome to everyone. Now this is my new video which will help you in the learning of the seventh part of speech. Now in this part of speech, the heading is your conjunction, and conjunction is the seventh part of speech. This is very wide in range, but in very short, which is to your level, we will learn in this. Now let us come to the word conjunction. Now see, this word is made up of two words. In its own word, conjunction, the word junction is there. Junction. Now what is the meaning of this junction? This junction means joining. Even in the train and all, you must have seen like in some of the stations, it is written Patna Junction. Okay. So here in some of the junctions you will see that it is written Patna Junction. Whereas in some it is written Rajgir Junction. Rajgir railway station. So now what is the difference? Now what is the difference between the two? See, the word junction, I have already explained that its meaning is joining. So here this Patna, when it is there, junction, it joins to its sub-areas. Okay, from one part, the many areas are being separated. It is being joined, and here Rajgir, it has only one way. So it is known as your Rajgir station. So this is the main difference. Now moving towards our word. Now this joining comes, also we can name it as connector, connecting. In a very common word, we can say it as connecting word. The other word you can also say it as linking word. It is clear. This junction comes from the three, its meaning is three, joining, connecting, or even we can say it as linking word. Now, let us see the definition. What is the definition? Now, a conjunction. A conjunction is a joining word. Now, what does it join? It is a joining word. What does it join? It joins a word, phrases, and even the sentences. Clauses can be also there, but for your level it is only these three. You remember that a conjunction is a joining word which joins word, phrases, or sentences. This is clear? Now coming towards, let us see the more. Now, suppose I am writing, first let us see this word. How it joins the word. Suppose I am writing Rohit, and the other side I am writing Shyam. Now, this Rohit and Shyam can be joined with Rohit and Shyam. It is clear? So, Rohit and Shyam are friends. In this way, it joins these two words, that is your Rohit, Shyam. This is clear? Now, coming towards the sentences. See the sentences? Suppose I am writing Rohan. Rohan is playing football. Rohan is playing football. And the other I am writing Sita is playing chess. Now see here how it is joining the two sentences. One I have given Rohit is playing football. Now Rohan is indicated to football and Sita is playing chess. Both are doing the same work, but here their work is different. Both are playing, but the result is something else. So we can join these two sentences by Rohan is playing football, but Sita is playing chess. So which word has joined these two word sentences here? Rohan is playing football and Sita is playing chess. This, but. So this is clear. Now here these two, they are having the varieties in them. But this word, but, has used in helping us in joining the two sentences. So now one by one we will learn more about the other conjunctions. Like I can give you one more. Ram is honest. Ram is intelligent. So here both sentences, see the subject, it is your Ram, here also Ram, but their quality is different. That is, he is honest as well as he is intelligent. So we can write here, we can join it as Ram is honest and intelligent. Now this sentence we can change it also. Ram is honest. Here we can write Ram is lazy. So here we are not going to use and. Okay, what we will use in this form? We will use Ram is honest. वो ईमानदार है. लेकिन, but, lazy. वो ईमानदार है लेकिन क्या है वो लेजी है. So Ram is honest but lazy. So these two we have seen. Now one by one we will see all the different parts of different words which are used as the conjunction. Now first let us see what are those normal conjunction words. Now see. The first is and. The second is your but. Then comes your because. Then your or. So today we will learn only about these three: and, but, because, or. It is clear. So in the previous we have also seen the use of and. So what is this and? And means or. Okay. In Hindi we say or. So let us see one by one. So where do we use this and? And is normally used to show the quality. Okay. To join. It is mainly used this and, but, because, or is mainly used to join the words or the sentences. Now see here, suppose I am writing Rohan. See the sentences. First I'll write without conjunction. Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. Now there is no conjunction in it. Okay. Again I am describing this Rohan again. Rohan is an intelligent boy. There it is. This is your subject Rohan. Here I have given good as well as intelligent. Now both the qualities we can write here as, see I am joining these two sentences. Okay. Rohan is a good and intelligent boy. It is clear? Now this subject, it had the similar idea. Okay, the same idea was about this Rohan. So and is mainly used in the similar ideas. Means if one person, if the subject is doing or it is having the same qualities or same idea, then it is we use here and. In the next also we can say Like Rohan is singing. See there. Rohan is drawing. See the difference between both the sentences. Here Rohan is there, but here variety is different. One is singing and in the next sentence it is drawing. So here also we can add Rohan is singing. See, subject is same, but your object has different. Okay, Ram is singing and drawing. This is clear? Now again we can see here one more sentence. If it is Shyam is playing, Mohan is playing. Now in this it is just your vice versa. That means here two subjects, two people are there, but both are engaged in the same work, that is your playing. It is clear. So if two persons are there and both are engaged in the similar idea, then also we can use this and. We can write here Shyam and Mohan are playing. So this is clear. Now I hope your confusion is clear. So and is used basically for similar ideas. Remember this, that for similar ideas, it doesn't matter what your subject is, but if it may be in the both the condition, here see and here also. Rohan is doing singing and drawing, here Shyam is there and Mohan is there, but their idea is same, they are doing the playing work. So now we will move to but. Now but is used for your I hope this and is clear to everyone. Now in this we will see but. But means what? Lekin, parantu. Okay, in Hindi when we go it comes as lekin and parantu. So when it is different, if the ideas are different, okay, like just see the sentence. Rohan is fat. Mohan is tall. That means it is different. If the ideas are different, the person is also different. So here Rohan, the second is your Mohan. One is your fat and the other is your tall. So we can write, we can join this sentence in this way. Rohan is fat, but Mohan is tall. So or you can say, even also say that if the ideas are different, if it is in the opposite form. It is clear? Or you can give another sentence like Rohit is playing. Mohan is singing. I have used very small sentences, okay? Like here it is, we can join it like Rohit is playing, but Mohan is singing. That means it is just the opposite. It is clear? I hope this but is also clear here. Rohit is playing, Mohan is singing. So here it has the differences, or we can say it is just the opposite. But is used for your opposite work. Now we will see the next, that is your because. Because. Now because is used when there is a reason. Okay, because is used if there is a reason. Yes, why I was late. Suppose I am writing I was absent. This is one sentence. I was ill. So how we will join this? I was absent because I was ill. Now see what happened. Subject is same, but it has a reason behind it that why he was absent. He was absent because he was ill. So to use this because always there is a reason. It is clear. Absent and ill. Now you can also say Rohan has passed his exam. Now we can also say he studied hard. So now Rohan has passed his exam. He studied hard. What was the reason? So we can use this because Rohan has passed his exam because he studied hard. So here we have used because. Did you get? So whenever we are using this connector word because, that means there is a reason. It is clear. Make it sure that when you have the reason, it shows that there is a reason why I am late or why I was absent. In our own, we also say that I was late because I missed the bus. Sheeta worked hard because she has to come first in the class. So such type of. And now let us see or. Now or is used when you have an option. Option means you have a choice, either this or that. It is clear. Or is used when you have a option or a choice. I want ice cream. I want coffee. So here there is a choice. These two sentences are there. I want ice cream or coffee. So here there are two options that you can have both. Either you can have ice cream or coffee. So if there is a choice, like on my birthday, Father presented me a gift, presented me a bicycle. On my birthday, Father presented me a bicycle. And again we can say on my birthday, Father presented me a frock. So see here, two options are there. So here we can use this sentence as on my birthday, Father presented me a bicycle or a frock. So that means if there is an option, like we can say you may go to Shimla or you may go to Darjeeling. So there it is or. Okay, either you can go to Shimla or you can go to Darjeeling. So there is an option. So these are the basic conjunctions. Okay, these are the very basic conjunctions which you have to see. So today let it be only these four kinds of conjunctions. Word we have you understood. Now in my next video we will see the other part. Thank you.